Hello, in this video we'll talk about filtering data. So once again, let's make sure if this is a table or an Excel table or a range. So I will click here, no table options appear on top, so this is a range. Now it says apply filter to the data below to show the teams which have RK1, it means rank 1. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and select my data. So go ahead and select your data. If you see the filters are already showing, then fine. If you don't see any filters, then I would go ahead and hit filter. Now all of the columns have filter. So if your exercise already starts at this stage, that's fine. It means the filters are applied. Now you need to use the filters to show only rank 1. So I will go ahead, look at the filter on RK, and then it says all the ranks. So what I need to do is I need to make sure only 1 is checked, others are unchecked. So whatever you want to do, uncheck 2 and 3, just let 1 be the only one which is checked. Hit OK, and all the rank 1s are shown, the others are hidden. As you can see from the side, you don't see all the rows right now. So that's filtering of your data. Now this is just one filter at a time. We have only applied one filter, which is on rank, and you can see how the icon on the rank has changed, indicating that's the filter which is active, the others are not active. Let's go to the next task and do a text filter. So right here you see we have no filters on our data yet. It says apply a text filter to the data below to show only the teams for which team name begins with NY. Okay, so once again I'm going to select all my data, then go to filter. This is going to apply filter to all my columns, and I need to use a filter on the column team name. So here's my team name or team. I'm going to click on this filter and then see what different options we have. Well, using the same button, I can use sorting. I'm not going to do that. We will go down and it says text filters. In text filters, there are various options: equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and then you can also figure out a custom filter. In our case, we want to have team name which begins with NY. So obviously I will go ahead and select begins with. Within begins with, what's the text I want? I want the text to be NY. Okay, so begins with NY, and you can use multiple conditions and combine them using and or if you wanted to have more than one conditions here. The question said one condition, I've done it, and hit OK. Now you will see in the filtered result, only the teams which start with the word NY or the letters NY are appearing. So that's your text filter right here. Now we are going to go to text filter to worksheet and then use a text filter to the data such that the text filter shows only the teams for which the team name contains the letters AN. Okay, so once again, I see that the filter is not there, so let's select all the data first of all. Then I will go to data and apply filters. Now I have filters here. So for team, here's the team name. I'm going to go there, go for text filters, and I'm going to look for the one which says contains, and the letters I'm looking is AN. So exactly the letters AN, and do this. So you'll see San Francisco, Yankees. So these are the teams that we need. Let's go to the next one. This is a color filter now. In the color filter, we have to apply a filter to the data below on column team name to show only the teams for which the cells have orange fill color. So you will see that there are some cells here which are highlighted or have a fill color orange. These are the only cells that we want to see. So let's go ahead, select the data, Once again, go ahead and apply a filter. I am going to select the filter, and this time I'm going to use filter by color. So if there are multiple colors, you will get different options. So here it says you have only two options, either no fill or orange fill. So we want only the orange fill, and that's how you can select your data. We have filtered it out.